Hey vlog, happy Sunday. Today me and the family are going to the grocery store. Yeah, and y'all about to go with us. Naya, say hey. Look at Naya's outfit, y'all. She looks so cute. She thinks she look like a tomboy and she don't. But yeah, I don't know where to look, here or there. But yeah, we're about to go to grocery shopping. They went and got us ice cream from Brewster's. He bought a whole bunch. I think. Okay, y'all, we are in the car. So my plan is to buy, like, today I'm gonna cook lasagna for all of us, but my plan is to buy like little stuff. As I showed y'all, we got the ice cream already, so we don't need sweets. We might need some cookies. They like cookies and cinnamon.
Can we try a couple cookies today?
We done tried those cookies that they have. Unless you see, which one you see you want to try?
Drive!
Okay, yeah, so we doing lasagna. I need to look up a whole freaking menu. But really, I do this lasagna like the spaghetti, right? I cook the meat, then I put the sauce in it, and then we just layer it with cheese and cooked lasagna, right? What salad do you want? That one? Damn. Okay. We don't need shrimp. For what? Okay, we're about to get the ground turkey. We really want these down. What is it called? That's bottom round? Yeah. Are we gonna cook that? Okay. 11:23 tomorrow, right? We're gonna put it in. I know, but when you wanna cook it?
I'm too.
Is that the rice one? Yeah. I already got one.
You gotta get the noodles for the lasagna, right?
Yeah. Do you want? I like s'mores. No, I ain't gonna do that to myself. I'm not gonna do it because I don't feel like cooking it. That's a big bro.
Fruit and shit out of public.
No food.
You don't want no cabbage, cause I do want. I can take a cabbage.
We're gonna do that this week though. We could do like a meatloaf and cabbage.
They're gonna be Sunday though.
That's the best kind of stuff out, y'all. So
You gotta give me a
me?
What?
You said me?
I gotta get me a
What you gonna get?
There's some steamed meat. I don't know.
She's gonna make her own lasagna. But AJ, is you going? We are done. We did not do what we were supposed to do out of here. But it's fine because we have another store to go to get the other stuff. Look at Naya. She's got his skin stuff. Really? Oh, it might not work.
Girl, come in. That bitch scanned 2 times.
Okay. He did it already.
Oh, so.
You scan it.
Ooh, that's a strong plan.
I mean, come on. I know that's what I'm doing. Girl, stop. You making all up something with me. They all in the way. You look like that.
Here, get your advice.
You scanned it already?
I don't know. When I tried to scan them, they can't scan because of things. You're supposed to do that. No, because I'm on my own bag. Ew.
We gotta leave in Walmart.
You heard what I said?
No, what did you say?
I said they're a little rich couple.
Huh?
They're a little rich couple. I'm not going in
How we
next
leave
door.
Walmart?
Okay? I'm not going in the next door.
Why are you so crazy?
Cold as it.
If it's not that cold.
Yes, it is. It's
Not that cold.
Somehow it's
Ooh.
like
It is that cold.
Exactly.
AJ is so slow. Slow.
Oh, that is snow. Oh my god, it's too cold.
The stuff in the trunk, dude. He moves so fast, y'all. It's like he could take his time and be okay, but he just consistently moves like this, like, and it be mistakes every time. I told you. We have made it to Publix. I just gotta get a couple more things for the lasagna. They just move so fast.
It's good to my ugly self. It's cold. No, you can't get that car. I'm cold. Oh.
You need on a coat. I don't feel nothing.
Yep, you go.
I don't feel nothing.
He thankful.
He what?
He thankful.
Ooh. It do. They steaming seafood in here. And it smells good. I would love to get me some crab leg. You want crab leg?
No, not good.
I do. She always want crab leg, y'all. So if I get them and she see me eat them, she gonna want some. What bag? Oh look, we can get riscata cheese right here. Yeah, they got the cheese. Where the kids? This one, I never had this one. No, we're gonna get this one. Riscata. We needed this. Where's AJ? Where's AJ? Oh, ain't you so happy you don't gotta stand in that line? We making sub sandwiches. Why you with this?
Why are we here?
We making sub sandwiches. We making sub sandwiches.
It's the only time we get it.
No. Oh well, I can go get the stuff I need. I need the riscata cheese. Then you wanna have what you wanna have. But we can really get this.
I'm ready to go.
But no, I like that.
I'm ready to go. I should
Come with me.
stay in the car. Bro, just come on with me.
Come on. I need. This is what I need, y'all. Oh, let's go get the sausage. Oh, what you want to do?
Chips.
I mean, depending on how much it costs, apparently.
I need my chips. Freaking hungry.
Okay. You gonna walk with me to get the sausage?
No.
Okay.
So we can leave quicker.
Look at this. AJ, irritating this. cold. Don't want to be out here at all. I really want a sandwich tonight.
Mom, you remember we were saying we made a TikTok?
You want a sandwich? Huh?
Remember that TikTok?
Yeah, I just want to make sandwiches tonight. Do we got submarine sandwich sauce? Because we'll need it. And you like that honey mustard, the mustard right there. You talking about that orange one that in the refrigerator? That's not for the sandwich, this is for the boar's head. You don't like that one?
I ain't never tasted.
I like this one. Okay, this is a pound. And they better eat all of this. Because if they don't, you can get your huh? I'm not sure. I wanted to get some new coffee creamer. I'm not sure if I really wanted that one. Let me show you. I wanted to try this one. White chocolate mocha. We're gonna try this tomorrow morning, maybe. Oh, these are the mussels. AJ, they're the other way. They're the other way. Why you just be moving? Okay, y'all, and obviously we're doing sub sandwiches throughout the week. You gonna make you one to take to work tomorrow? You should. I know, I'm talking about just for work tomorrow. You should take one. Look at this, $8. Look, I ain't gonna be hot like this too. $2 for $7. Yeah, you can get some legs. You eat that with your sandwich? Okay, get sour cream. You want chips?
You gotta get the garlic.
Garlic. Is that the only thing I needed? Okay. Tomato paste. I don't really use tomato paste, so I'm not going to use that.
Bad.
I like no, I get the fresh garlic, so I won't have to peel it, and it cuts down the cooking time. Ooh, ginger. Give me one of these. Are these a pound? I don't want one because I'm doing my juice and drink. And it's ginger. I mean, it's some ginger. I only need a little bit of juice. We're gonna figure out how to do that. The ginger. It should be like right here. I don't know. I know what Little Giant is. I ain't never. Oh, here goes some. But I really don't like that. We could do this. And what else? We already got apples. Oh, look, cherries. Walmart cherries. Huh? No. I mean, you like these? These probably gonna be $12.
You don't want the one little orange? Well, sure. Don't get them from out of here.
I like to go to Sam Club for like stuff like this.
Well, we done then.
Okay, with the apples I have at home, I'm gonna do that because I'm gonna make some juice tonight. I'm gonna do a ginger
I
apple
will drink wine now.
juice. We is drinking wine, but that ain't got nothing to do with the juice I'm making at home. Okay, we're gonna see how when we get back in the car because I'm not tired. Look at these frosty. Frosty. Miss Frosty. Miss Frosty. on another street. Nope.
That with meat.
So I started.
Turkey. We just went and got the garlic. We just went and got the chip for the ham sandwich.
So we are on the way where
We just got 3 things and spent $80 in public. Ain't that some shit?
we got about 5, 6, 7, 8.
Bullshit. I thought that was food cost.
Yeah, so we are on the way.
Back home.
I'm back home. I'm about to set up for this lasagna.
Sometimes you can roll the right, which you did there. Sometimes you can't roll the left.
And I'm gonna show y'all when I get started. And I'll be drinking some Bella Rosa wine tonight. No touch me. What you have? I don't like that.
The 2 seed, the championship game against the 16 Commanders, Philadelphia 28, the Rams 22, and now there are 5 teams. The Jets get their fingerprints on the Lombardi Trophy. Philadelphia and Washington will be the early game next Sunday on Fox in the NFC Championship. Kansas City waits the winner of Baltimore and Buffalo to pick shortly in Orlando. They'll celebrate here in Philadelphia.
Yeah, who got them?
Yeah, including at 44-yard rushing Saquon Barkley.
Jalen Leonard, woo! After that one. But Saquon, I'm going to start with you. If someone had said to you as a kid that you'd be playing a divisional playoff game in the snow, your eyes would have lit up. What was it like to play these elements?
I mean, the elements is great, but the atmosphere was even better. Our fans are here to go.
Do you love playing in the snow?
I'm not playing football. I'm not there. I'll finish the game.
Yes, you did. You finished and won the game. Congratulations, guys.
All right, Melissa, thank you.
4 layers. I went ahead and added an extra layer because I didn't want to waste none. But this lasagna is huge. We are about to put it in the oven for about 45 minutes.
I look at myself as the male version of Barbie.
Okay, yeah, as y'all know, I'm doing mine. So I like to chill my glasses. So how you do chill glasses? Just soak them down like this. And you put them in the freezer. Also make them lemonade Kool-Aid. So here's the lasagna. It's thick as shit. And here's the corn. I made sweet corn, cream corn. One is the one.
Wow, he turned it out. That should be Jane. You know, I see Oliver that grabs him right before he's out of bounds, so they're allowing him to finish the tackle there,
Cheese.
as opposed to a hit that happens or is initiated after he's out of bounds.
I know you like cheese, so I made sure cheese. He is fucking the food up. Stop for me and watch. At least his plate. He's an animal. I'm about to eat. Okay, y'all, we're about to end the night. I got me some butter pecan ice cream. And we're about to play zombies. I'm gonna show y'all. Yeah, we're about to play Call of Duty tonight. I'm about to kick his butt. I'll probably tune in when we playing just to show y'all. And I'm eating ice cream. I know it's dark, but that's cool. And he watching football on the tablet. We are on level 10 on zombies. I'm at the top, AJ at the bottom, and I think he got more money than me, but that's okay. I'm finna do what I need to do. Be back.